Hey there, my travel and Pisces peeps.
Hey, what's up, guys?
We just wanted to show you our exciting life of RV full-time traveling. Guess where we're at? Where are we at, Bill?
Laundry day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Fun.
It's not as all glitz and glamour as a lot of people think it is.
No, not at all. But you know, there is a plus side to going to the laundromat. One, to get all your laundry done at the same time, as long as there are multiple washing machines and dryers available. And in order for that to happen, the best thing to do is go on a Monday or a Tuesday, or even a Wednesday, but Monday and Tuesdays especially, because hardly anybody
That's when
goes to
everybody's
the
back to
laundromat.
work.
Yeah,
They've done all their laundry for the week.
Yes.
So let's take a look around, show you what it looks like. So we actually got a pretty empty laundromat. Only one other person here. Repairman working on stuff. Here we go. So all right, so this is what it's all about on laundry day.
Fun.
This is what Dimitri does on laundry day.
Are we having fun yet, babe?
Always.
Always. I love it that my husband's so domesticated and helps with the laundry. Which, ladies, that's another plus side to go into the laundromat. You're not doing everybody's laundry for a whole day. They all help out and it's all done at once.
All right, it's dryer time. That means we're halfway done. What happened?
I don't know if they work. It's not coming up saying anything.
Oh, great.
I don't want to keep
Oh, see, now there's a light on that one. It says door open, but this one doesn't have a light. All right, so I guess we got to get the guy to figure out what's going on with it. Yeah, the light's on now. All right, it's on now, yeah.
Now, and when they go to the first time, here's the office of the machine.
Alright, so we got, what, five dryers? Five dryers?
5 dryers, but it takes, what, about an hour and a half to get all of our laundry done with linens and everything. So that's not bad.
Alright guys, so there you go. There you have it. And we actually had a little bit of drama. We had the one machine that wasn't working.
Everywhere we go.
Luckily the guy was kind enough to get it fixed, put some time on it.
Yeah.
So we're all good. Hope you enjoy laundry day.
Fun.
Ciao for
Stay
now.
tuned. We're getting ready to go do some other errands after this.
Yeah.
It's a
Grocery
whole
shopping.
day full of errands. You guys are going to love it.
Yeah, so we'll present that later. Ciao for now.